Hello everyone, dear friends. In this video, I will show you a way to easily, quickly, and safely mine the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. So, let's not waste any time and get straight to the point. All you need is a mobile phone, a computer, or a tablet. On your device, you just need to open any web browser and find this website. The link to it will be in the pinned comment under this video or in the description, and it's called archmine.io. Go to this website and click the Start Mining button. This is a cloud mining website. It takes us to the cloud mining console, and here we need to set up our mining session. So let's choose a cryptocurrency. Here, there's not only Bitcoin, but also various other cryptocurrencies. For example, Tron, BNB, Ripple, Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin and click Continue. Next, we need to enter the address of our Bitcoin wallet. Let's enter it. Then choose hash rate power and mining speed. I'll say right away that the duration and cost of your session will depend on the hash rate power and mining speed you choose. Let's select mining speed turbo and a hash rate of about 400 terahashes per second. You can set the target amount to any value you like. Let's choose 500 and click Start Mining. As you can see, our mining session has started. Here you can see the progress of our session. It also shows how much we've already mined, as well as various settings such as pool information and current session. So let's wait until we've mined some amount of Bitcoin, and then I'll show you how to withdraw here. Alright friends, a little over 4 minutes have passed, and now we click the Stop and Withdraw button. In total, we've mined 0.0178 Bitcoin, which amounts to approximately $1,176. Next, we need to pay the infrastructure fee, since we've used the cloud resources of this platform, and you can pay it in any currency, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, and other cryptocurrencies. It's more convenient for me to pay in USDT, so I click on USDT and will pay via the TRC20 network, simply by copying the USDT wallet address to which the payment should be made, and I need to pay 141.19 USDT. Let me do that right now. So, the transaction has been sent, and now I click the I have successfully paid button. Well, now let's wait for our payment to be verified on the blockchain, and we'll receive our Bitcoins. I don't think it will take long, so I'll just show you the result. So, friends, about 30 minutes have passed. Let's go to Trust Wallet now and see if we've received our Bitcoins. And yes, as you can see, 0.0178 BTC is now in our wallet. That's just wonderful. So friends, that's the service I showed you today, and I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in new videos. Bye everyone.